Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough for Gold Etude number 1. Make sure that you have your copy out because you're all going to have slightly different notes and key signatures depending on your transposition. So go ahead and look at number 1 with me. You'll see here in your key signature, if you're a flute, oboe, bassoon, trombone, euphonium, tuba, you're going to have 5 flats: B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. But then later you're going to lose 2 of those flats in the key signature change. For the clarinets, trumpets, tenor saxes, go ahead and look at yours. You guys should start with a total of 3 flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat. And then later on, you're just going to go down to 1 flat. If you are an alto sax, you should see that you will start with 2 flats, B flat and E flat, and then later on, you're going to lose both of those and go to key of C. No sharps, no flats. And then French horns, you'll see that you start with 4 flats: B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. And then halfway through, you lose 2 of them. So you'll end with just B flat and E flat. So, as I mentioned, there is a key signature change halfway through. Make sure that you're aware of that. And we're in cut time. Remember, cut time means that when we turn on the metronome, that the pulse of this piece is the half note. 2 beats per measure, half note gets the beat. So instead of counting the quarter notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to count them 1 and 2 and. So it's an easier way of feeling faster speed things by having the half note get the beat. So go ahead and count and clap it with me. Really the only other tricky thing, other than that key change and the cut time, is the slurs and the staccatos. So let's go ahead and count it first, and then we'll sizzle it. Counting first. 1, 2, count with me. 1 and 2 and 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 off. You may recognize the rhythm. This is actually the theme to Yankee Doodle, a very familiar folk melody from America. Let's go ahead and sizzle it. This way you can get the staccatos and the slurs. Be careful here in the last 3 measures. There's some tricky little staccato slur patterns. Go ahead and sizzle with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice work. You might want to run those last couple measures again. They are a little tricky. So go ahead and finger through it. Make sure that you're comfortable with all those fingerings. Then I'd recommend that you go to your specialist video where you can practice along with the pro player on your instrument. Slow it down at first. Make sure you're getting all those articulations, all the staccatos and the slurs. Go half tempo, go 3/4 tempo, and then speed it up so that you're playing it at tempo with the pro player. I look forward to hearing your first Gold Etude.